Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to show you 20 powerful features for Boox Note Air 4C. It's a 10.3-inch color e-ink tablet with Kaleido 3 technology. So let's start. First of all, a big thank you to Boox for sponsoring this video. The first feature is about multitasking. For example, you are scrolling through a website and now you want to open another app. So just bring down this control center and then from here you can select split screen and then you can select vertical mode. Now on this side you can open another app. For example, I open my notes and then I will open my notebook. Now here I can start taking my notes. So you can see I can easily take my notes and I can also use this website. You can also share content from a website to your notes. For example, I want this image in my notes. So I will press and hold it like this and then I will select share image. And then I will select my notes and then I will select same notebook. So here is the notebook. Now you can see the same image is available over here. Now if you want, you can also resize it, you can crop it, and you can also edit this image. You can also drag text from a website to your notes. For example, I want this text in my notes. First of all, I will start selecting this text using my pen. So I will select this text till here. Now I will press and hold it like this and you can see I can easily drag and drop this text to my notes. And later if you want, you can also edit it. The next feature is about note taking inside ebooks. For example, I open Boox Neo Reader and then I will select this book and then I will open this book. Now I want to take notes inside this book. So on this side, you can see I have different tools available. I will select this pen tool and now I can start taking notes inside this ebook. I can also add different shapes. So here on top we have this shape tool and now I can add any shape inside this book. If you want to change the shape, you can select this shape icon and then here you can see I have different shape options available. You can also change the theme. So I will go back from here and then you can see I have this theme option. I will select it and now for example I want to change it to dark theme. So here we have this dark theme option. So I will select it and now you can read your book in dark theme. You can also take a screenshot. So you can just select this navy ball option and then you can select this screenshot icon and now it will take the screenshot for you. Now if you want, you can also edit it. So here we have this edit option. Now for example, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the line width, you can do all your editing. And then once you finish with your editing, you can export it as a PDF and you can also share it. Now let's talk about PDF annotations. For example, I open this PDF file and now I can annotate this PDF file using different tools. The best feature is about article mode. So if I tap in middle of the screen and then I will select article mode, so it will divide this PDF page into 4 columns. I will press OK and then it will zoom to portion of the page. So this will be helpful in better readability and PDF annotations. This will also be helpful for reading multi-column articles like research papers. You can also use other tools. For example, if you want to write, you can use this pen tool and then you can write on your PDF. You can also use other tools. For example, you can use the shape tool. You can also use different type of brushes as well. The next feature is about screen mirroring. So you can cast Note Air 4C screen in your mobile phone, in your PC or in your TV. You just have to bring down this control center and then from here you can select Boox Drop Screen Mirroring and then select Start Now. So it will generate this URL and this QR code. So for example, I will open my phone camera and then I will scan this QR code and then I will select Open in Chrome. Now I can access my tablet screen through my phone. So for example, if I go back from here, you can see I can access my tablet screen through my phone. So you can use this feature to present your ideas in bigger screen, for example, in your laptop or in your TV. Now let's talk about note taking. So you can use Notes app, which is pre-installed in this tablet, and then from here you can select create and now you can create handwritten notes or text notes. For example, I will select handwritten notes, and here we have these amazing templates available, and you can see these templates are categorized into different sections. For example, I will select daily planner, and then I will select create, and now I can use all of these tools to start taking my notes. You can also create different shapes. You just have to draw with your pen and then hold your pen, and then it will convert it into the neat shape. You can also insert hyperlinks. Select this insert option, and then here you can see we have this option of link to website. For example, you have a lecture going on and you want to do the audio recording of that lecture. You can select this more option and then select recorder, and then it will start recording your lecture, and in the meantime you can also start taking your notes. You can also export your notes to Google Drive, and you can also sync your notes to Onyx account. You can also use other note-taking apps, for example Microsoft OneNote, and here you can use all of these tools for your note-taking. In Microsoft OneNote, you can categorize your notes into notebooks, section, and pages. Now let's talk about brightness and color temperature. So as you can see, I turn off few lights in my room, and I completely turn off the brightness for this tablet. So this is how it looks like when the brightness is completely turned off. Now I will set the brightness to maximum level. So from this side, I will just swipe up. So I will just swipe up like this, and then I will set it to maximum. So this is how it looks like with maximum brightness level. For example, I open this website, and then I will open reader mode. So I will select this reader mode option, and then you can see this is how it looks like in the maximum brightness. I will also open my gallery, and I will show you different images. So I will go back from here, and then I will open my gallery, and then I will show you different images. So here you can see these images with full brightness. I will also show you this image with different colors. Now let's talk about color temperature. So from left side, you can just swipe up like this, and you can set the color temperature. So here we have the maximum brightness with maximum color temperature. So for example, I open this website, and then I will select the reader mode. So this is how it looks like with maximum brightness and maximum color temperature. So if you want to read or write for a longer period of time, you can set the color temperature according to your needs. So screen is kind to eyes for reading and writing. So I will go back from here, and then I will open my gallery, and then I will show you different images. So here you can see these images with maximum brightness and maximum color temperature. I will also show you the image with different colors. The next feature is about exporting text as an image. For example, you are reading a book and you find some interesting information and you want to save that information. So use your pen and then circle around that text. So for example, I want to export this text, so I will circle around it. Now you can see the text is highlighted. Now what you can do, you can select this share icon, and here we have this option of generate picture. So I will select it. Now it will generate a picture for you. You can also change the style. So if you select this arrow, you have different styles available. So you can select any style. Once you finish, you can select this save option, and you can also share it in your notes. For example, I want to share it in my notes. I will select this share icon, and then from here I will select my notes, and then you can select your notebook. For example, I select this notebook, and now you can see the same image is available in my notes. The next feature is about using AI powered language model platforms. So you can use Gemini, you can also use Copilot, and you can also use Claude. So here I open Claude. So you can download these apps through Play Store, but ChatGPT is not compatible with this device through Play Store. Now let's talk about this Stylus pen. So guys, this pen includes with this tablet. If you buy it from official Boox site, you can attach this pen magnetically to the side of tablet, and you can also attach it at the back side. It also has this rubber cap. So here is the rubber cap for this pen. It also has these 5 extra tips. So I will take out one tip. So this is how it looks like, and it also includes this tip remover tool. So this pen has a lot of functionality. You can use it for note taking, you can use it for annotations, and you can also use it for drawing. So this pen has a latency of under 20 millisecond. It also supports palm rejection. For example, if I rest my hand on tablet and then if I try to write anything, you can see I can easily write with no spots on screen. This pen also supports tilt sensitivity and pressure sensitivity. So for example, if I try to draw this line, you can see if I put more pressure, so here you can see the pressure sensitivity in this pen. Due to matte texture surface and texture tip, you feel like you are writing on paper. You can also use this tablet for drawing. For example, I open Sketchbook app and now I try to draw something. So here you can see, so there is latency if I try to use my pen in Sketchbook app. So for drawing, you can use Notes app. So I will go back from here and then I will open Notes app. So inside Notes app, you have different tools available for drawing. So if I select this pen tool, here you can see we have different brushes option available. So you can see you also have different color options available, and you can also change the line width as well. The next feature is about text to notes. For example, you are scrolling through a website and you find some interesting information and you want to save that information. So use your pen and then start selecting the text. For example, I will select this text till here. Now I want this text in my notes, so I will select this share option, and then from here I will select my notes, and then you can select your notebook and the same text is available in your notes. Now if you want, you can also edit this text as well. You can also take a screenshot of specific part of your screen. For example, I open this website and now I want to take a screenshot for this image. So I will select this navy ball, and then from here I will select this Marquee Screenshot, and now I will use my pen and now I will drag the area in my screen. So I want to take the screenshot for this image, so I will select it like this. Now you can see the screenshot has been taken. You can check it from here, and now if you want, you can also edit it. So here we have this edit option. So if you want to write something on your screenshot, you can also write. Once you finish with your editing, you can save it and you can also share it. Now let's talk about Calendar Memo. So this app is pre-installed in this tablet and it has a lot of features. So from this side you can select any date, and here you can write anything important in Memo section. It will also show you today's notes and it will also show you today's read. For example, you read a book or you read a PDF file, it will show you all the information over here and you can directly access from here. You can also share your memo with your friends or with your colleagues. So you just have to select this email icon and then you can send it through your email. The next feature is about screen recording. For example, if you want to explain something in your notes or you want to do a presentation, you can use screen recorder. You just have to bring down this control center and then swipe to right. So here we have this screen recorder. So you can select it and then from here you can select start and then you can select start now. Now you can present anything in your screen. You can also use your pen. Once you finish with your screen recording, you can select this stop option and then your screen recording will save in your gallery and later you can access it and you can share it. The next feature is about Neo Reader split screen. For example, I open this book in Neo Reader and now I want to use the split screen option. So I will just tap it like this and then from here I will select split view. So you can see I have different options available. The first option is about current document. So if I select the current document, it will open the same page in split screen. So this will be helpful in comparison or refer to different sections of same book. Now for example, on this part I want to move to another page, so I will just swipe like this and then I will move to the next page, and on top I have the same page. The next option is another document. So if I select another document, you can select any other document in your tablet. For example, I will select this PDF file. Now on top I have the same book, and here on this side I have this PDF file. I can also access other pages in the same PDF file. So this way you can access two different files at same time. The next option is handwritten notes. So if I select the handwritten notes, it will open this notes app in split screen, and now you can start taking your notes and you can also access your book. You can also select text notes option, and you also have the option of translate. So for example, if I select translate, now it will translate this book page into a different language. So here you can see I select from English to German, but you can also change the language. You just have to select this arrow, and then here it will show you the list for different languages. The next feature is about text to speech inside Neo Reader. For example, I open this book and now I want to listen to this book. So I will just tap on the screen and then I will select TTS. Now for example, I want to listen to this ebook, so I will select this play option.
The 2 or 3 first form joints or internodes are straight and remain stationary, but the next form.
So this is how you can listen to your ebooks. You can also customize TTS settings. You just have to select this settings icon, and then from here you can customize text to speech options. You can also use third-party apps like Audible for audiobooks. Now let's talk about other specs. So the fingerprint scanner is integrated into power button, and this tablet also has this micro SD card slot. So you can extend the memory up to 2 terabytes. The screen size for this tablet is 10.3 inches. It also has microphone and speakers. So here you can see 2 speakers on this side. So this tablet has Android 13 version with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage space. The next feature is about auto sleep. So if you set this auto sleep to never, it will keep showing you what you had on your screen even when the device is standby. Now let's talk about the battery life. So guys, the battery life for this tablet is about 10 hours if you are reading with full brightness. The battery life also depends upon how you use the tablet. With its Kaleido 3-color e-paper display, enhanced performance, and advanced note-taking features, Boox Note Air 4C offers a unique blend of productivity and creativity. So if you are interested in buying the Boox Note Air 4C, check out the link in the description for more details. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.